Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my small, humble channel. My name's Brian, aka Doodleman, and you're watching Comic and Manga Doodleman. Once again, I'm back again after my work. Very, very tired, but I've decided to just take a plunge and do some more gesture drawing once again. Well, gesture drawing, and plus I've decided to do some like anatomical drawing as well on top of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some practice on like rhythmic lines and like making these like more action oriented gesture drawing. Just because I like to draw like mangas or comics, and some of these are like awesome fighting scenes, which I'm not really ready to take on challenge yet. I mean, I've tried it like several times before, but due to my lack of like the gesture drawing knowledge, and I still need to work on some more like anatomical human anatomy, and as well as like how the clothing and this action gesture works really along with the like comic and manga settings. Yeah, so art, where I see it, I mean, I thought it wasn't gonna be that much challenge because it seems like everyone's kind of doing it somewhere or the other. But yeah, I found the art to be quite challenging actually. So yeah, hopefully with more practice and with more education, which I'm trying to teach myself, hopefully I'll get there. And I don't know, maybe who knows? In the future, I may be able to write a comic or manga of my own, which it will be really awesome and fun. But before that, I still need to perfect my gesture drawing, anatomy, and the perspective, composition, how to create these panels, and like doing these mechanical engineering design for robots and animals and all this crazy stuff and whatnot. So yeah, guys, once again, thank you so much for your support, and to all my subscribers and viewers who's watching this video. I do appreciate you watching this, and yeah, just don't hesitate to leave some comments. Even if it's a criticism, it's totally fine. I guess being a self-taught wannabe artist, I guess I do need some like constructive constructive criticism as well. So, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much.